Hi, this is Jenny from the Ukulele Sisters, and I'm going to teach you Red River Valley. Red River Valley uses 3 chords. It uses a C chord, an F chord, and a G7 chord. It's in our signature book, 21 Songs in 6 Days. Now with this song, I'm going to use several different strumming patterns just to kind of show you how you can vary a song. This is called a strophic song, which means it's the same every time you do it. Even if you have chorus, verse, the music is the same. So to make it more interesting, we try to vary things like the strumming pattern or adding an instrumental verse. So the first time I do it with the first verse is I'm going to do all downs. When I get to the chorus, come and sit by my side if you love me, I'm going to go down, down, up, down, down, up. And I'm doing something called chunking. And so first you want to learn how to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And you would practice that with, we would stop the strings over here. It's much easier to practice strumming that way. And if you can talk and strum at the same time, then you know you really got it. But when you want to do something called chunk, that's when you allow the heel of your hand, you know, your thumb is not a toe, but it's kind of like your big toe. And this is not really the heel of your foot, but it's the heel of your hand. And you allow that part of your hand to hit the strings as you strum down. So you go down, and you're going to do the chunking on beat 2 and beat 4. You're not going to do it on 1. So you go 1, chunk, 1, chunk. And the chunk is where the down ups are. Down, chunk, up, down, chunk, up, down, chunk, up, down, chunk, up. And it sounds like... Then, so that's another strumming pattern. The next strumming pattern that I show in this song is going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I also do a verse with down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's kind of called a boom diddy strum. And what I'm doing is I'm only striking the G string for the down. And then on the down up, I'm doing all 4 strings. So it tends to make the song sound a little bit more interesting. I stick in an instrumental verse. It's a simple chord melody. And when you get a little bit more advanced, you'll learn how to read the tab and also how to add the chord tones underneath. I put it in there because I thought it sounded really cool. So I hope you enjoy it. From this valley, they say you are going. We will miss your bright eyes and sweet smile. For they say you are taking the sunshine that has brightened our pathways a while. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loved you so true. I've been thinking a long time, my darling, of the sweet words you never would say. Now, alas, my fond hopes all vanish, for they say you are going away. Do you think of the valley you're leaving? Oh, how lonely and dreary it will be. Do you think of the kind hearts you're breaking and the pain you are causing to me?